Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damari, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make potato wedges. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you'll need are your potatoes, and I'm going to start peeling them one by one. After you finish peeling them, you're going to chop them into medium sizes because it's potato wedges and not chips. So I'm just going to cut it into half, and then I'll cut the half into quarter and the quarter into a half. So I only get, from one half I get 4 pieces. That's it. After the 30 minutes is over, I'm going to put some water in a cooking pan and I'm going to let it boil. Then after it's boiled, I'm going to put some little salt into the water so that my potatoes are not flat. And then I'm going to add the potatoes inside the water and let them boil for 5 minutes. As the potatoes continue to boil, I'm going to make batter. So I'm going to take flour, I'm going to add a little black pepper inside, and you can also add paprika and oregano. I just didn't have the spices, that's why I didn't put them, and also a little salt to taste. And then you mix them with water, cold water. So I remove the potatoes from the water after 5 minutes and I let them cool. And now I'm going to mix them inside the mixture that I made before I fry them. After I've mixed the potatoes, I'm going to put some oil in the pan and let it get hot, and then I'm going to start frying my potato wedges. So I'm going to let them cook until they turn golden brown, and that's when I'm going to remove them from the oil. So the last step, you're going to take your onions and garlic, but the garlic is optional, and you're going to fry them in the frying pan until they are golden brown. After they turn brown, you're going to add your bell pepper and coriander, and at this point you can add any other spice that you want. If you want your potato wedges to be spicy, you can add chili, and if you don't want them spicy, you just leave them like that. And then you're going to make the mixture. Let the mixture like stay just a little bit on the fire, don't let it cook. After it's ready, you're just going to put in your potato wedges and mix them together. And the food is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with anything you want. I just use some tomato sauce. And also, make sure you eat them while they are hot. If you let them cool, they're not going to be tasty. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope to see you again next week on Tuesday and Friday. Bye bye.